guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I am making my hubby happy today. I am making molasses cookies. So I'm going to give you the recipe. I'm not even going to show you everything with it because you know what? You can figure this out, right? So here we go. Now this was the recipe my husband handed me. This is an old recipe. I rewrote it, but it's molasses cookies. 1.5 cups shortening, 2 cups sugar, 1.5, or I'm sorry, oh, I better start again. Here we go. 1.5 cups shortening, 2 cups sugar, 1/2 cup molasses, 2 eggs, 4 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cloves ground, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm reading as slow as I can, guys, for you guys. Melt shortening, let cool, add sugar, eggs, and molasses. Beat well, mix in dry ingredients. Then you have to chill it for 3 hours. Then you want to make walnut-sized balls, roll in granulated sugar, place 2 inches apart, and bake at 375, 8 to 10 minutes. And there's nothing on the other side. Excuse my dirty sink. I have been baking and cleaning, and things are just going all over here. So that is how to make my molasses cookies, which my husband loves. He actually gave me the recipe. I can't say it's my recipe, it's his. Clay went to cooking school, so he has all kinds of great ideas. But anyway, I'm going to make these for him today. It is 0 degrees outside, so I am going to take advantage of that. I am also working today on the Philippians project. If you haven't heard of what that is that every day in February, ask somebody to join the Philippians project and to share something about the book of Philippians. So basically every day in February you're sharing about the book of Philippians. And then you're inviting someone else to do the same thing. So what I'm going to share with you guys today, and it could be anywhere, it could be with your friends, it could be online, it can be on a card, it doesn't necessarily have to be on your YouTube channel, but I'm going to share something today, which is the book of Philippians was written while the Apostle Paul was on his way. He was going on a missionary journey, and he wanted to actually go a different direction, but the Holy Spirit kept stopping him here and there and everywhere, and finally he had a dream. He had a dream of a man saying, "Come over here to help us." So he knew that God was bringing a whole new direction to him. So what happened was he ended up going to Philippi, and God didn't want him to just preach kind of locally. He was going to give him a whole continent of people, and we have our first convert in Philippi, which was a woman that he met down by the riverside. He was going there because they were going to, they looked for a synagogue in the place, and since there weren't 10 men, there was no synagogue, so they knew that people would go down by the river to pray. So he went down, and when he got down there, he met a woman who had formerly been a pagan. Then she had became a part of Judaism, and then when she met Paul, she herself accepted Christ, and her entire family got saved. And not only that, but she was a woman of wealth from Thyatira, if I say it right, and she asked him to stay with her. So, her and her, she had lots of bucks, and so she asked him to come stay. So there you go, a little tip on the book of Philippians. I hope you enjoy this. I am eventually going to just shoot out a Bible study on the whole book for you guys to enjoy, but you can even share what I just told you to somebody. That is perfectly fine. Okay, guys, so remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.